Let's see how this goes. I've had to set my camera way up high on this. This is an LG 60UJ6300. So I'm assuming that means it's a 60-inch television. I like it because it's light. I got lucky and found this on the curb. And I'm guessing that always means there's something wrong with it. Right now, I think because my stand is not totally level, it looks to me like this left side is as far up as possible and the right side is as far down as possible. I'm going to go ahead and just get these out of the way, make sure that these are not going to be any problem with the removal of the back panel. There's a Russian guy that has a video of how to fix the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi was working fine, and I wasn't aware of anything actually wrong with this TV at first, but the Wi-Fi stopped working. So I'm going to go around and try to see if I can replicate what that guy did to clean the connection for the Wi-Fi module, which is at the bottom of some LG TVs. Okay, I can see that my screws in the bottom are different than my screws on the side. And I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible because I really don't expect my phone to be able to store the full video of this because I'm always running out of room on my phone. For all I know, it's already stopped, but it's a big TV, and I thought even if this is just for my own good, it may be good to have a video of the disassembly. Alright, so then I think I've just got 3 more screws along the top edge here, and there they go. Okay, it looks like they're about the same size as the sides, so only the bottoms are different, and maybe I will have all the screws out. I don't know, there's a screw here and there is an arrow on it, so I think I'll pull this one out too. And this one looks similar to the screws that go along the bottom. I don't see any other screws, so now I gotta figure out how you pop this off. I have no idea what I'm doing here, but there's surely going to be something besides the screws holding it on, but I'm gonna go in here with a butter knife anyway. Like I said, I got lucky and found this on the curb, so it may not be something that I need to worry a whole lot about. Yeah, I may, oh, there we go. That's coming right up. That's nice. All right, let's pull it up. Oh, there we go. A little pop. Let's see, come on. Come on. Come on. There's a little pop. All right, what do we got up here? A little pop maybe? Not happening. Let's go around the other side. Maybe I'll have to pry this up. Now, if I really cared about this television, I would have put a rag underneath it. Feels like something's not coming loose here around the controls. It looks like this is coming up with it, and there's another screw. There we go. And that, hope it didn't cause any problem. Now that screw looks same as the side ones. Alright, oh, There we go. It doesn't look like there's anything to worry about in there. All right, nice. Glad to see that came off so easily. Set that aside. And let's check and see if I'm still recording. All right. Wow, actually still recording. Now, this here is what I'm told, based on the YouTube videos I've watched, that this wire connection is what needs to be cleaned. So, there's a little screw. Now, it seems like it would be smart to have a static ground strap and all that stuff. I remember when I was in college working back in the 90s, working in the hardware maintenance center, there was always this concern for static zapping things. I'm not going to worry too much about that, but now there's other connections over here that look like they could be cleaned, and looks like if I push on this, it will free the connection, and I'm not sure what I'm doing here, but yep, there it goes. It seems to pop right out. I pushed on the connector at the side, the white side. Let's see. This cable is mighty folded, and it's making it a little difficult. I wonder if it's going to make sense for me to get this cable out of the bracket. There we go. All right. Okay, that's helpful. Now, let's see if I can get this cable connection out. And all it says is that you got to clean, on these other YouTube videos, that you just got to clean the connection. And this is actually a surprising amount of force I'm having to put on this thing here. And it's not coming out too easily. But it looks like it's mostly free except for that side on the left in my current view. But I don't know why. It doesn't seem like the clip is the problem. And I'm wondering if I just need to give it a little bit of force. A Phillips head or a flathead screwdriver would be ideal here. I may have one over there. Let's see. Here we go. Alright, let's see if this pops out. Gentle. Doesn't want to go. Seems like there's something hanging it up. Yeah, it's really stuck in there. I feel like I might need a magnifying glass or something to figure out why this connection is not coming out and why it's hanging up. But I'm tempted to force it here, which never is a good thing. It's weird that it's coming out on the one side just fine. I'm going to try clipping it all the way back in and starting over. So I clipped it back in. Again, see, am I really still recording? Is this, oh my gosh, it's actually still recording. Hard to believe. Okay, let's try this one more time. So, push down on the white side and pull, but it's still hanging up on that one side. It was a free TV. I'm just afraid that I'm going to break more functions than I'm looking to fix here. Oof, man, that is amazing how much pressure it seems to take. I wonder if there's some other lock somewhere, or if I should try to get the entire green board out of there. Doesn't make any sense. Maybe it pull up or push down in one of these directions. Wow! It really doesn't want to come out. Okay, it seemed like a little fish in it. Got it to come out now. This doesn't bode very well, because I think what they had in the video was like a tape connection where the wires were going into that, and this doesn't seem to have the same type of connection as the video that I watched. I'm wondering if maybe some of these other connections. Now, they had said at the bottom was the Wi-Fi module, and I'm trying to read this here. Let's go ahead and bring it up to the camera. Let's see if I can get that to read. I'm unable to read that. You know, even maybe it's going to be easier on screen and pausing and stuff like that, but I don't know if this is actually the Wi-Fi module. I would assume it is. These are speakers here, and they say to clean connections, but man, those are little tiny pins. So I don't know how this is gonna fix the Wi-Fi. I just don't seem to get it. But I can try to get some cleaners in there. There's this connection here, which looks like it might be more of the tape connection style. I think these get pulled out to the side. But I don't seem to see much going on there. It says IR Wi-Fi, so that's probably coming down here to what's probably the Wi-Fi module, because that's what the guy said on the channel there, the YouTube channel. So I'm guessing let's go ahead and just get some cleaners on the contacts for here and the contacts that go right in there. That's gonna be some tight little contacts there to get those in there. I think I may have to create two separate videos, because I don't even know. I mean, I know I've got alcohol upstairs, but trying to find something that's going to get in there in that little slot, it looks like it's going to be difficult. Hey, you know what do I have to lose? I'll just go run upstairs and see what I can find. It's going to be boring for the next couple of seconds here. I wish I had a way to actually